Dear students, welcome to a revised syllabus for SSC examination 2022. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, subject English second paper, subject code 108, chapter and title of the lessons: grammar, gap filling, activities without clues, gap filling with clues, substitution table, right form of verbs, changing sentences, completing sentences, use of the suffix and prefix, tag questions, punctuations, and writing part, writing CV with cover letter, formal letters, and writing paragraphs. Total number of periods 50. And revised marks distribution of English second paper due to COVID-19 pandemic only for SSC exam 2022. Total marks 100. Gap filling activities without clues 5. Gap filling without clues 5. Substitution table 6. Right forms of verbs 10. Changing sentences 10. Completing sentences 5. Use of suffix and prefix 7. Tag questions 7 and punctuations 5. Composition 40 marks. Writing CV with cover letter 15. Formal letters 10 and writing paragraph 15. Dear students, thank you so much. All the best.